Hello users, let's learn how to participate in Prospera seed round and buy the prop token through MetaMask wallet. Firstly, you will have to log into MetaMask wallet. Click on the DApp button in the lower right corner of your screen. Then in the search bar on the top of your screen, feed seed.prosperabuild.com. You can see a Connect Wallet button in the top right of your screen. Click on the button. Then choose your preferred choice of wallet. We're choosing MetaMask for the purpose of this video. Click on the Connect button. You will then see a pop-up saying, Successfully Connected Wallet. Now you need to click on Participate Now button. You can see the network gas fees. Accept it by clicking the Confirm button in the right bottom of your screen. A success message will appear at the top of the screen, followed by a transaction submitted pop-up at the bottom, which will be replaced by a transaction complete pop-up. Now click on the Buy Now button and scroll down. Enter the USDT amount you wish to buy prop worth of. Now you can click on Approve button to confirm your purchase of prop. After verifying third-party details, click on Next button and then Approve button from your wallet pop-up as well. A pop-up should indicate that the transaction is approved. Click on the Buy Now button. Once you click the Confirm button, your transaction will be complete. You can see the hash code, amount, status and all the other details of the transaction. The prop token shall reflect in your wallet after the vesting period is over. That's how easy it is to join the future ecosystem of RWA tokenization.